Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and if this is your first time here, I do mostly drone related content, so if that's what you're looking for, please feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click that bell. Okay, let's talk about FPV. This is going to be a series on me learning how to fly an FPV drone. After watching some videos on YouTube about FPVs, I decided I wanted to give it a try. But I didn't want to spend $1,000 to find out that I suck at it. So what to do? I started looking around and I decided to go with the TinyHawk 2 Ready to Fly kit. Why? Because it comes with the radio, the goggles, the batteries, everything you need for less than 200 bucks. Now, depending on how this goes, we'll decide whether or not I move on to bigger and better machines. So I picked one up, and then I had an idea. I should record my experience from start to finish for all the world to see. So that way any mistakes I make, other people can learn from them and maybe even get a laugh out of it too. So the following is the first installment of Mike Learns FPV. I hope you like this series. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. So here we go. Mike Learns FPV. Enjoy. Power on. Okay, and then we'll stand back. We got this, and we're in the beginning mode. And nothing happens. Oh, there we go. Okay. Disarm. Okay. Try this again. Here we go again. Let me just get it to hover first. Wow, that did not go like I thought it would at all. I was just trying to do a line of sight hover and I could not get it to hover at all. It was sliding left and right, front and back, all over the place. Not to mention the fact that I only have one battery, one 1S battery and one 2S battery. So I'd fly for 3 minutes, and then I have to charge it up for an hour, then fly for 2 or 3 minutes, and then charge it up. So I got to do some more research on this and try and figure out what's going on. I don't know why. I'm in stable mode, but it's just, it will not, I could not get it to hover at all. It just sat there and was all over the place. As you saw, it was going all over the place. So I'm going to do some more research and we'll be back. All right, here we are a week later. First thing I did, I ordered 6 more batteries. So I've got a 6-pack of batteries and I've got them charged up and we're gonna go fly. Next, I did some research and I found a video by Old Guy in a Drone, that's Mitch, and he had his TinyHawk 1 that was doing the same thing. It wouldn't hold still in stable mode. It was drifting back and forth. I actually have it right here. It was drifting and doing all this and going, and it would not sit stable in stable mode. And that's what I was having the issues with. Well, what he did was he took the TinyHawk 1, hooked it up to Betaflight, went in and recalibrated the accelerometer on it. So I did that I followed his suggestion, and he showed how to do it in his video. I'm going to put a link to that video in the description down here. But he showed how to do it, and I went ahead and did that, and we're going to give it a try now and see how it goes. See if that makes a big difference. But I've got 6 batteries now, actually 7 when you count the one that came with the drone, and I got it recalibrated, so we'll see how it goes. Cross your fingers. Well, for me, I'm crossing my fingers. For you, you guys are probably laughing. All right, we're going to see how it goes. See ya. So here we go. First time after calibration. Yes, I already know I need to be flying outside somewhere, but the wind's blowing pretty good, so I'm not going to be able to do that. So I have to fly on here. Not only that, we now have a new bar table at the end there that's another obstacle. So here we go. First time after the calibration. Much better. Much better. Way better. Oh, just did a flip. Oh, no wonder I was in horizon. Wasn't even in stable mode. Well, that went a lot better after the recalibration. I was able to control it a lot better in horizon mode than I was able to control it in stable mode before the recalibration. So I highly recommend, if you're having issues with the way it's flying, it's not stable, you can't control it, do the recalibration. Check out Old Guy in a Drone's video. I have the link down below, and they'll give you a step-by-step procedure on how to recalibrate your accelerometer on this thing. So the next step is going to be take it outside and actually do the flight with the goggles on and actually do an FPV flight. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And don't forget to click the bell for new content.